that right now to my 3-man over at Station 2, my 4 guys here at Station 1. Oh, that's awesome. Well, what happens when the friggin' Station 2 is going on an EMS call? Okay, well, now the seven guys on duty is now 4. Fuck, man, we got 4 guys covering a city, 50,000 people. Are you kidding me? What do you think we're going to do on our first due? Have the conversation today. What do you think we're going to do? Are you guys going to wait for 2 in, 2 out? Well, fuck no, we're not waiting for 2 in, 2 out. The pump goes in gear. The guy stretches the line. We get the door. We mass up. And we're going in, man. Are you kidding me? 2 in, 2 out. Give me a break. And that's the problem. We've allowed it to take hold because everyone wants to cry safety because a couple of firemen got hurt. And believe me, I've been burned. I've been hurt. I get all that stuff. Like, it sucks. I don't mean to make light of it. But at the end of the day, like, Brian talked about Bill Carey's stats and, all the stuff that's going on with all the statistics is great. At the end of the day, to be quite honest, and I don't mean to be, like, crass. I'm a high school educated, man. I don't got that much brains on top of my shoulders, okay? But at the end of the day, like, I hate to say the odds are in our favor. Well, the odds are in our favor to be totally shitty at our job, to use a totally horrible hose stream, to have a totally horrible tactics and techniques, to have awful radios that don't fucking work. Like, the odds are still in our favor. We're probably still going to make it. So imagine if we just had a little bit of drill time, maybe drank way too much coffee, got out and broke a sweat, dragged the hose around a little bit or threw a ladder or whatever it is. Man, are you kidding me? We've been scared into a place where guys are basically frozen. Oh, I only got 3 guys. Fuck, and one of them's got to stay outside. Are you kidding me? Dude, there is so much that you can get done with 2 guys who just simply know how to work, and they draw a line in the sand, not just some crazy doing a swan dive into a pool of fire here. They draw a line in the sand. They use their training, their experience, and a little bit of common sense. They draw a line in the sand. They're like, all right, dude, this is how far we're going to take it, and we're going to push it to the limit right up to that line. And at that point, we hold our ground, take a look around, and maybe we back up a little bit or even back out if we're running out of water or whatever the case may be. But to sit around and be scared to just be frozen in the yard and go, well, I can't, I got to wait. We need to assemble. Assemble. That's like a multi-syllable word, man. It sounds really important. We're going to assemble a bunch of people. You know what the fucking neighbor's doing? He's grabbing the green line. You know what the green line is? It's off his house. It's like, 6 PSI at the tip, right? He's grabbing the green line, and he's making a fucking push on his own, man. He's going for it. What are cops doing? We got friggin' I just saw the video of the fucking cop. They're doing VES. The cop is doing VES and pulling a lady out. Are you kidding me? Why the hell do they even give us bunker gear? Why do they give us any of this stuff if we're not at least willing to get started on this stuff? And again, your training, your experience, your call volume, and maybe even your own personal courage. Yeah, I dare I say that. Yeah, that's a factor. You may have to go in. You may have to cough a little bit and gag a little bit and belly in a little bit. And if it's only 10 feet, so be it. But maybe at 10 feet, you see a foot, right? And maybe you can grab them. Well, isn't that what we're supposed to be doing? Why are we listening to all this other crap, letting us basically push us into a little corner so they can sell another fucking book? Because they could, God forbid, they write a good search chapter. No, we're not going to do that in the actual textbook that the class is on. We're going to make you buy another $70 book on search so you can learn how to search. Oh, come on. Give me a break, man. Every bit of it is just like, oh, you're killing me with this.